Koza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly. Bengazi ukuthi angeke ahlala ngaqhamuki lamaxoki. Lamaphixi lawo. Umnikazi wale comment lo uzuzu kube umgqwabeni kube uye lo nabanye basekhona abangakasho lutho. Angeke ngibabalela abaseZimbabwe abathanda ukuzenza ama South African, but abahamba phambili abawu3 bacommentile la. So lo nango manje into ngiyabona ukuthi banamanga kanjani. Uthi uZuma wayenyulwe ulokhuzana uZondo wayekade enyulwe uZuma babengamazi bona. Usho uqamba amanga anjena ka maphixi baqamba beqamba amanga bangene kuwonke ama post MK bambe befaka amanga yonke into yabo is about amanga. Abazwani neqiniso yibo ke labe ngibasho ukuthi bazonda umuntu omnyama yingakho behambe beqamba amanga nje beqamba amanga nje. uZuma akaza amkhethe uZondo. uZuma waphoqelwa nge-state capture uThuli Madonsela. Sengitshela nalabo abangazi. Wamphoqelela uZuma wazi wathi okay kulungileke. Ngizomkhetha umuntu asihede leso state capture senenikhuluma ngaso. Wathi uThuli Madonsela ngeke ukwenze lokho wena uya compromised because kuzolokhu uzwa wena la. Ngiyayizwa lento. Kwathiwa bazonikeza ulokhuzana uCJ Mukhweng. Kwaku Chief Justice ngaleso sikhathi konke ngithi uCJ. Namanje usehuya ngithi usahola ama benefit okuba uChief Justice. Kwase bemnikeza igama lika Zondo basuggest igama lika Zondo kuyena. Ngoba uZondo was given the mandate, which is why we are here today. Esezositshela ukuthi ke na kwaba imistake indaba ka9 billion. So laba amaphixi lawo aphikisa iqiniso ngamanga. Yingakho nje ngikhulumile bengazi vele ukuthi bazovela. Yibo ke laba ababengithuka ke la. He's one of them. They always come and defend enemies of black people, these guys. I don't know whether they are planted or kusuka ngaphakathi enhlizweni zabo, but ingaba ngcono if they are planted. This thing is just an act or it's just umsebenzi wabo aboholelayo. Not necessarily ukuthi kusuka ngaphakathi kube enhlizweni zabo. And they are old for whatever that they are doing. uZonda kaza khethwa uZuma wakhethwa eStellenbosch. The name was suggested to Chief Justice Mukhweng, and then kwanikeza ubaba uZuma ukuthi nango umuntu esifuna ukuthi umkhethe. Wafika kanjalo uZondo njengoba size saba naye. But ubaba Umsholozi was always against this thing, because there's this thing that people don't understand. Bazokutshela ukuthi uZuma ubalekela amacala. uZuma knows if kuukuthi uyazi ukuthi uZuma la wacela ukuthi akube womunye Chief Justice, I mean akube womunye chair kulesa state commission sabo, state capture commission sabo lesi, wathi akube womunye uchair not lo, okanye omunye umuntu ozohlala lapha yena ebese mbuza imibuzo uzophendula. Kodwa hayi lo, ngoba lo uyazi ukuthi ngisho angaze kube nobufakazi obuyi 20 million obusho ukuthi uZuma akahlangene nalento abakhuluma ngayo, but he will always be found to have done something. That's why even nakuleyanto leya arms deal, even uMbeki washo ukuthi there was never an arms deal. uZuma uthi akayi lapha. Why? Because he knows ukuthi kuncoliswa igama lakhe. So they are trying everything that they can. But I go there and clear your name. How can you clear your name against people who are going against you? Uzolclear kanjani igama lakho, because noma ngaze ube kuthiwa innocent kangakanani, but they will always find a way yokuthi bakungcolise. So these are the people engikhuluma ngabo, ama enemy, abantu abamnyama. Umbuzo wami kubo uthi nisizondelani kangaka? That's my question. Bazoza la bakhulume yonke lenyongo baqambe yonke lamanga, but they will never answer the question, because nabo masukubabuza kahle they don't know ukuthi basizondelani. Because kwakhona lokho ukuvuma ukuthengwa kusho khona ukuthi awuzithandi kwawena. You wish you were white. If they were white ngabe bajabule bafile, because they will have a good excuse ukuthi basicindezele. But now they are not white, they are black like us. So they allow themselves to be used if they are being used, because there are so many people who are being used here. But I don't know about this. Maybe they don't get paid. it's just that thing is coming from deep down there, and most of the people are like this thing of them actually influenced hatred or nganye ngathi yilento abayisho kithi abathi tribalism bayibhekise kithi influenced yiyo leyo nto leyo ukuthi they hate black. Usho ungabeka iqiniso la hlale obala kuhle kwempahla yembuzi, they will always come and baphikisa iqiniso lesuku libekela, because bona they hate, angazi ngithi bazonda amazulu or what, but it seems as if it's something like that, because bakhuluma language efana most of the people engikhuluma ngabo la ilanguage yabo iyafana bonke, but ke angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu as if mhlambe I'm sowing division nami. I'm not doing that. Ngiyazi ukuthi baningi abantu bakithi kuleya province abasithandayo abanganankinga nathi, njengoba nathi sihlala nabo le ko Mayville eThekwini singanankinga, futhi ngeke uzuze sithi nxa ukuthi ngoba umhlobo bani wena, asinayo leyo nto. Lento le iphuma nje nabo, yibo nje abagcwele kuyo lento le ukuthi umzulu yibo lapha. But ke angifuni kube ngathi ngifaka lento yelokhuzana yenzondo. Cha, angifaki inzondo, njengoba ngisho nje baningi abazi aba right abaphilayo abanganayo leyo nto, abazi ukuthi struggle somuntu omnyama yini.